guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a review on the Tatti lashes. I've actually got the whole kit here. So yeah, I'm going to try these out for the first time. As you can see, none of them have gone. And I will give you my first impressions. So let's get straight into this video. So first off, just to tell you what you got in the kit, I actually picked up the Mon Cherie ones. I did look at these afterwards and thought that those ones looked huge. Didn't know whether they looked way too big for my eyes. I've only got small eyes. I've got no makeup on right now. So what you get as well inside the kit, I'll give you a link below as well on where to get it. It's literally from an Instagram link. I think there's a sale on at the minute. If it's still on, I'll let you know. I think there was £21 altogether. But you get multiple uses out of them, and you can reuse the lashes as well. So yeah, I got the Invisi-lash, which I think is a double-ended applicator. One side is kind of like a glue side, and then the other side is kind of like an activator, which kind of dries the glue. So you've got like a double-sided sort of wand going on there. So yeah, the bond side and the cure side. They also send you a pair of sort of applicators, which is a bit like a pair of tweezers, just to apply the lashes. Now, I'm familiar with wearing strip lashes. I've been wearing them every day actually as of late, but obviously they're a little bit time consuming. You've got to put them on every day. After a few lots of wears, you get glue stuck on the sort of on the rim area, and it kind of looks a bit clunky, and then you have to, they're about £14 for like 3 sets, and I thought, oh, I'll give these a go. They're meant to last up to like 5 days, maybe longer, depending on how you look after them, and I thought they may be a good idea. I am going away next weekend to Marbella, so it might be good to be able to have those on throughout my trip there. So right, let's get into this applicator. I might have to just bring you closer, but first off, I'm just going to put my hair out of my face. Right, so the actual lashes do look like that. They give you sort of like glue pockets there. I think that's if you're applying them with glue. Not really sure what they're for. So these come in 16s for 2 rows of 14s and a row of 12s. So I'm gonna go with the 16s on the outer just to see what they look like. So that actually tells you how to apply them if you're doing them with proper glue. So I'm going to be using the sort of Invisi-lash stick. I'm not going to lie, this is the smallest. I literally can't read what that says, so I'm gonna have to go and get my glasses, guys, because I cannot read it. So I'll be right back. Right, so I use my trusty magnifying glass to read that. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the bond, and we're going to be applying, I'm going to need a mirror. I'm going to bring you in. Can I bring you in? Yes. Right, we'll do it about there, to be fair. And I'm going to get a mirror. Right, guys. So I might be just looking down while I do this, so I'll try and keep you in the viewfinder. So I'm going to be using the bond side, and it comes with the tiniest little sort of spoolie there, which I doubt you can see. You see that? Tiny little wand. And I'm going to just start in the, actually I might just brush my, and make sure I have got a bit of mascara on still, so I need to take that off. Right, so I'm going to take the wand of the bond side, and I'm just going to apply it just to the outsides, just to the bottoms. I'm going to kind of look up. Right, it does look black, so we're going to take, moment of truth, the first set off the lash case. Right, so maybe we can have two of the larger ones here. Is a little bit awkward getting the angle like so, and then I like to have like a wing sort of effect, so for me I think I can squeeze them shut. Squeeze like so. Make sure that your tools are clean as well. So I'm gonna do 114 and then the other 112. So I'll do, oh, you got, I'm just gonna put the rest here. Ah. Right guys, so that is the first eye. You could probably just tease them a little bit. Now what you need to do is just sandwich them to make sure that they're stuck, and on this side. Like so. What I'm going to do as well, because I've got a little bit of the glue at the bottom there, I'm just going to get some makeup remover and just take that off, because I don't want my bottom lashes to be a little bit crusty, and I managed to get a little bit in my eye, so I'm just going to take that off. Right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to seal that with the other side. So it's basically just the cure side. And again, it's a similar sort of brush, so it just stops the tackiness. Right, that is one eye done. I'm gonna zoom back out now. Right, I'm gonna obviously finish the other eye, and we'll come back to you shortly once I put all my makeup on as well. Okay. Right guys, I am back. This is the final look for the lashes. Right, impressions. Yeah, if you're used to putting lashes on, then you're going to be quite comfortable doing this. You can actually, if you pull them, you can take them off and sort of reapply if you've kind of put them in the wrong place. I did kind of find this eye a little bit easier. I think it may have been because maybe I got used to it a little bit on how to apply, or maybe depending on if you're left or right-handed, it might be a little bit easier that way. But I think with practice it'd be quite easy. So the first eye, because I think I was demonstrating, probably took a little bit longer, but this is the final look. I'm going to just come in a little bit closer. I did actually put an extra one in each corner there because I felt like it was a little bit bare here. So in total I think I have 7 sort of pieces per eye. If I'm 2, 4, 6, yeah, 7 in total per eye. So I put 2 large ones on the outside, 2 of the slightly smaller ones in the middle, and 2 of the really smaller ones in the inner corner just to create that kind of wing. I think, to be fair, I think this eye probably looks a little bit better than this eye, because I feel like this one's sort of tapering a little bit more, if you can see that. But again, I think it might just be the way that they're sitting. I think you can kind of mess around with them a little bit once they're cured and everything. So pretty same. I don't think if I hadn't pointed it out, you probably wouldn't have noticed. But yeah, how affordable are they? How great. If you're used to having your lashes done and they're costing you quite a bit of money, because I know lashes are expensive, this is an alternative way. I highly recommend it. Obviously it's supposed to be good for about 5 days. The little wand thing you can carry around with you, so if you feel like one's coming loose, you could possibly just apply a little bit more glue and attach it back. I just carry the little kit together. It's so small anyway, you can just put it in your handbag, and if you feel like one's coming loose, you could probably just stick it back. But yeah, pretty good. You can do them on the go and everything like that. Yeah, and I really like them. I would like to try some of the other ones, and there is some natural ones as well, but these didn't turn out as big as I expected them to be. Obviously the outer eye one there is quite a big one, but I kind of like that sort of sweeping sort of eye, because I've got hooded lids and it kind of helps to elevate my eyes. So yeah, I've got to give it a 10 out of 10. I think it's pretty good. Really good. So thanks everyone for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks then. Bye bye.